Our Zmatik SFA automatic floor sheeter is the perfect solution for wholesale baking operations that produce a large quantity of laminated dough. These sheeters can also be equipped with a cutting station to streamline production of croissants, donuts, Danish, and more. With a durable, easy-to-clean design, user-friendly operation, and intuitive touchscreen, it's clear why bakers and pastry chefs love this sheeter. The easy-to-navigate touchscreen can store up to 100 recipes and enables you to choose between manual, semi-automatic, and automatic operating modes. The automatic sheeting function will complete multiple passes of your dough through the rollers until it reaches the desired thickness, helping you save time while creating a consistent product. Users can also adjust belt speed, direction, and more via the touchscreen. This sheeter also includes a stainless steel flour bin and safety guards that protect both sides of the sheeting area, including the cutting station. The cutting station can be equipped with primary and secondary cutting attachments to make a near limitless variety of pastry and viennoiserie. This unit is also easy to clean with removable cutting attachments, dough scrapers, and wipe-down ready, food-safe plastic work belts. It also includes catch pans on either side of the conveyor belts for catching dough and a catch tray underneath the rollers for catching excess flour and scraps. Locking casters allow for easy transport across the production floor. Lastly, this sheeter runs on 220-volt, 3-phase power. For more information and pricing, contact our sales team at erikarecord.com.